Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos and sometimes tattoo related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do something a bit different. I got a request to paint some shoes and I thought it would be a good opportunity to review some fabric paints from Pentart and show you the process of me painting these shoes. Now I got 3 colors. From Pentart. I thought I would just get primary colors and mix them up as I go. So my plan was to do kind of a floral pattern on these shoes. As you can see, the shoes have quite a bit of texture to them, so I didn't know if it would actually work to paint them. I did a patch test on the back of the shoes just to see how the paint goes onto this fabric, and apparently it worked. So these paints come in 50 milliliter tubs. They are from Pentart, and Pentart is a brand from Hungary, I think. And the price for one of these 50 milliliter tubs is around $5. So I think the price is pretty okay. The colors are water-based and the consistency of them is somewhere in between acrylic and gouache. It's pretty thick and I wouldn't leave them out for too long because the paints did get a bit dry towards the end of painting the second shoe. So keep that in mind. Once it dries out, it's a bit harder to use and I don't think they can be reactivated with water. Actually, I didn't use water at all with them. I just used it to clean my brush in between colors. So the saturation of the colors is pretty impressive. Once they dried down, they did become a bit darker. And the thing with fabric paints is that you have to set them with an iron. In this particular case, the instructions say to iron them for 2 minutes at 180 degrees. I didn't do that because the shoes are made from this kind of polyester type material, so I ironed them a very small amount of time, and also I should have used like a baking paper on top of it and then go in with the iron, but I didn't think of that only after the project was finished. So yeah, overall they are pretty easy to use. I wished the shoes weren't so textured. I think the overall design is pretty cute considering the canvas I was working on. I went with a very simple design, something I knew I could do, very simple flowers and leaves. The colors mixed together very well. As you can see, I used blue and yellow to create a green and also kind of a teal color. The red I used directly from the tub as it did dry down a bit darker than the color, so it was perfect for the red flowers. So I hope you find this video interesting. Let me know your experience with fabric paints. Let me know what brands you have used. These were just available at my local arts supply store. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and thank you so much for watching, and